Welcome to our video on the 8 red foods that calm autoimmune diseases. If you've been searching for natural ways to soothe inflammation and give your immune system a much-needed reset, you're in the right place. By adding the right foods to your plate, you can support your body and feel better, all while enjoying delicious and colorful meals. Let's first understand what autoimmune diseases are. These conditions occur when your body's defense system, the immune system, mistakenly attacks healthy cells instead of protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria or viruses. It's like a case of mistaken identity, where your body sees its own tissues as threats. Experts believe that inflammation is at the heart of many autoimmune diseases, and modern diets filled with processed foods can make things worse. But don't worry, the right foods, especially those rich in anti-inflammatory nutrients, can help calm your immune system and reduce inflammation. So let's dive in and discover which red foods can become your allies in the fight against autoimmune diseases. Kicking off our list at number 8 are tart cherries. Tart cherries are small, bright red fruits that can be more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with special compounds called anthocyanins that can help calm inflammation in your body. A study from the journal Nutrients found that people who drank tart cherry juice had less inflammation and oxidative stress in their bodies. Tart cherries don't just help with general inflammation. They've been shown to be particularly helpful for conditions like gout and arthritis. People who drank tart cherry juice had fewer painful flare-ups. If you've ever dealt with joint pain, you know how life-changing that could be. So how do these little red fruits work their magic? It's all about those anthocyanins we mentioned earlier. They calm your immune system down by blocking certain signals that usually tell your body to increase inflammation. To include tart cherries into your diet, you can drink tart cherry juice, eat dried cherries, or even enjoy them fresh when they're in season. The juice is especially potent, but any form will give you that helpful anthocyanin. Try adding tart cherry juice to your smoothies or mix some dried cherries into your morning oatmeal. You could even use tart cherry juice as a natural sweetener in your cooking. Sliding into number 7 are beets. Beets contain compounds called betalains, which give them their deep red color. These betalains fight off harmful substances that can cause damage to your cells. This process is called reducing oxidative stress. They can also help balance your immune system. They can give it a boost when it's sluggish, but they can also help calm it down when it's overactive. This balancing act is important for people whose immune systems are out of whack due to autoimmune conditions. Beets are great for your gut too. They help beneficial bacteria grow in your intestines, which can strengthen your body's defenses against autoimmune flare-ups. You can roast beets in the oven to bring out their natural sweetness. Or try grating raw beets into your salads for a crunchy twist. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even blend them into smoothies for a colorful health boost. At number 6, we have red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are packed with an amazing amount of vitamin C. In fact, one medium red bell pepper has about 152 milligrams of vitamin C. That's more than double what you'd get from an orange. Vitamin C helps your body make more white blood cells, which are the fighters that protect you from infections. Moreover, it also acts as a powerful antioxidant. It protects your cells from damage caused by harmful substances called free radicals. Red bell peppers also contain carotenoids. Your body turns some of these carotenoids into vitamin A, which is super important for keeping your eyes, skin, and immune system healthy. A study from the journal International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that eating red bell peppers can help reduce inflammation in your body. The antioxidants in red bell peppers, like vitamin C and carotenoids, work together to fight inflammation. If you want to get the most out of your red bell peppers, try to eat them raw or lightly cooked. Cooking methods that use a lot of heat or water can make the peppers lose some of their vitamin C. If you do cook them, try steaming or microwaving instead of boiling. Number 5 on our list are tomatoes. You might have heard that tomatoes are part of a plant family called nightshades. Some people say nightshades are bad for inflammation, but what if tomatoes could actually fight inflammation? Let's clear up the nightshade debate first. Tomatoes belong to the nightshade family, along with potatoes and eggplants. Some people worry that nightshades cause inflammation, but there's not much proof of this. In fact, the Arthritis Foundation says there's no strong evidence that nightshades, including tomatoes, make inflammation worse in humans. Now let's talk about how tomatoes are beneficial for people with autoimmune diseases. Tomatoes have a compound called lycopene. This is what gives tomatoes their bright red color, and it's also a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene helps reduce oxidative stress in your body. It protects your healthy cells from damage. Studies show that lycopene seems to help reduce inflammation markers in the body and improve heart health. Remember, tomatoes belong to the nightshade family. However, they are beneficial for people with autoimmune disease. Tomatoes are also packed with other nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamin C. These work together with lycopene to fight inflammation and support your overall health. To maximize the tomatoes' potential, cook them in a bit of oil. Cooking tomatoes makes the lycopene easier for your body to use. When you cook tomatoes, it breaks down their cell walls, freeing up more lycopene. While tomatoes can be great for many people, it's important to listen to your own body. Some people with autoimmune diseases might find they're sensitive to nightshades. If you're not sure, try keeping a food diary to see how you feel after eating tomatoes. Everyone's different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Coming in at number 4 are red grapes. Red grapes are not just for snacking or making wine. These juicy fruits are packed with something amazing called resveratrol. This special compound is what gives red grapes their power to fight autoimmune diseases. Resveratrol can trick your body into thinking you're on a diet, even when you're not. Scientists have found that resveratrol mimics the effects of calorie restriction. That means your body reacts like you're eating less, which can help you live longer and healthier. But resveratrol isn't the only good thing in red grapes. They're also full of polyphenols, which are natural chemicals that help reduce inflammation in your body. For people with autoimmune diseases, less inflammation can mean less pain and fewer symptoms. One study looked at people with rheumatoid arthritis, a common autoimmune disease. They found that taking resveratrol helped reduce inflammation markers in their bodies. Recent studies also say they might help with other autoimmune conditions too. For example, the anti-inflammatory effects of grapes could potentially help with conditions like lupus or multiple sclerosis. To incorporate red grapes to your meals, try freezing them for a cool summer snack. Or add them to your salads. You could even blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Eating whole grapes is best because you get all the fiber and nutrients. At number 3, we have red cabbage. Red cabbage is packed with good stuff that can help your body in many ways. This purple-red veggie belongs to a family of plants called cruciferous vegetables. Red cabbage contains special compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds help your body get rid of harmful stuff. This cleaning process called detoxification is very important for keeping your body healthy. One study showed that eating cruciferous vegetables like red cabbage can improve gut health. This is a big deal for people with autoimmune diseases. A healthy gut can help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. Red cabbage might also help with something called leaky gut. This is when the lining of your gut gets weak, letting things into your bloodstream that shouldn't be there. Red cabbage can help strengthen your gut lining, making it a powerful ally in fighting autoimmune conditions. So, how can you add more red cabbage to your meals? Boiling can make red cabbage lose some of its good stuff. Instead, try steaming it lightly or eating it raw in salads. You can also make sauerkraut with red cabbage. This fermented food is great for your gut health. Nearing the top of the list, at number 2 are red apples. Red apples contain a powerful compound called quercetin. This compound keeps your immune system balanced. It also helps calm down inflammation and ensures your immune responses are working properly. They're also full of pectin, a type of fiber that's great for your gut. One study found that women who ate 2 apples a day had more good bacteria in their guts after just 2 weeks. Remember, a healthy gut means less inflammation and improved function of the immune system. The skin of red apples has lots of flavonoids that protect your body from damage caused by harmful substances. These flavonoids keep your cells safe and healthy. Apples might even help with specific autoimmune conditions. Their anti-inflammatory effects could potentially help with diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. To benefit from the anti-inflammatory action of apples, make sure you pick the right shade of red. Choose apples with darker red skins. They tend to have more of the good stuff. Store them in the fridge to keep them crisp. And don't peel them. Finally, at number 1, red onions. Red onions have been used for thousands of years, not just for cooking, but also for healing. Ancient Egyptians believed onions were so powerful, they even put them in tombs with their kings. One of the best things about red onions is their sulfur compounds. These are what make onions smell strong, but they're also great for your health. Sulfur compounds help your body get rid of toxins. They remove the toxic stuff out of your cells. This is super important for people with autoimmune diseases because healthy cells help your body work better overall. They're also full of flavonoids, especially one called quercetin, like red apples. It tells your body to calm down when it's getting too worked up. This can be a big help in reducing inflammation and pain. One study showed that eating red onions can boost your immune system. Another study found that the antioxidants in red onions can protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. You might be worrying about cutting your onions because it may make you cry. However, there are ways to prevent that. Try chilling your onions before cutting them, or cut them under running water. You can also use a sharp knife to reduce the amount of irritating gas released. Now, to add onions to your meals, you can try them in salads for maximum nutrient power, or lightly sauté them to make them sweeter. You can even pickle red onions for a tangy, probiotic-rich topping that's great for gut health. And there you have it, the 8 red foods that calm autoimmune diseases: cherries, beets, red bell peppers, tomatoes, red grapes, red cabbage, red apples, and red onions. Each one brings something special to the table, whether it's vitamin C from red bell peppers or gut-friendly fiber from red cabbage. The foods you eat can be a powerful tool in managing autoimmune diseases, so choose foods that can help your body heal and stay strong. Do you have a go-to food that helps manage autoimmune symptoms? Share your insights in the comments below. Your tips and suggestions are highly valued and can be a great source of additional knowledge for our community. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And if you like to show your gratitude, please consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise. Your support allows us to continue creating informative content and spreading awareness about important health topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.